Good morning from Greenleaf, San Antonio. Got some cool product in the cooler this morning. This is Leucadendrum in that lime green Safari Sunset. This is also the Burgundy Safari Sunset. And then we got our blooming branches this morning. This is blooming Forsythia. There's also buds on the quince, which is about to bloom here. And I'm going to swing you over to a few of the proteas, and then we've got Genestra. There's some heather, waxflower, pretty awesome. Then we've got some gorgeous dahlias, pretty. Just give us a call, Greenleaf, San Antonio. Love to hear from you.